Welcome back. Yes, children, this is your maths classroom. Yes, class 1 maths classroom. Okay, and this is chapter 6 video. And what is the name of chapter 6? The name of chapter 6 is addition and subtraction up to 100. And this is video number 5. And in this video, ma'am is going to do addition and subtraction stories. Yes, children, this will be the mix of addition and subtraction stories both, and you have to decide which thing we are going to apply in this story, whether we will go for addition, whether we should go for subtraction. You have to decide. Got it, children? The main thing is that we have to decide in this story what should we have to do, whether addition or subtraction. This is the more important thing. Yes. Now I am going to ask you I will tell you few stories, and you all are going to tell me, ma'am, we will do addition, ma'am, we will do subtraction in this. Is that clear, children? Okay. See, children, the first story which ma'am is going to tell you is that see 60 children were playing in a park. Okay, 60 children were playing in a park. Okay, 24 more children came and joined them in the park. Okay, children, what will be the total number of children in a park now? So what we are going to do, children? See, 60 children were already there, okay, and 24 children came and joined them. Okay, so what to do? Who is going to tell me what to do? Whether we will do addition or subtraction. See, 24 children are coming and joining them. What ma'am has told you in previous video? Yes, if in addition means adding something, joining something, combining something. So what should we do? No, ma'am is not going to tell you. Now it's time for you to tell me. Yes, you have to tell me. Yes, say yes, you all are right. We have to do addition in this. Okay, now children, do you want to know how we are going to write the statement? Do you want to know? Yes, and for this you have to be ready with your book copy, maths copy and pencil. Yes, come. Yes, children, now this thing you have to see very carefully. We used to write like this, na? We used to write like this, but no. For this addition and subtraction problem, ma'am will turn the copy like this and write like this. Okay, how ma'am is going to write? Write like this. Okay, so the first thing which ma'am is going to write is statement. Okay, ma'am is not going to note down the question. Okay, this thing statement I will write here, and workspace I will write here. But children, you all are going to write the question also. Okay, number of students, sorry, number of children in park. Who is going to tell me how many children were there? Yes, 60. And then number of children joined. Number of children joined them. That is 2, 4, 24. And what we will do here, beta? Yes, as you told me, addition we are going to do. Now the final statement is total number of children. Total number of children. That will be 0 plus 4 T and O for tens and ones. This thing ma'am has forgot. 0 plus 4, it will be 4 here. Then 6 plus 2, 8. And that will be our answer. Okay? Yes. One more question for you all. Yes, one more question for you all. And in this question also, you have to say, is it subtraction or addition? Okay, children? Okay. See. This time the question is like this. There were 97 apples in a basket. Okay, 97 apples in a basket. Okay, and my mother take 24 of them. 24 of them, and she gave it to a small child named Keshav. Okay, she gave it to a small child named Keshav. Now can you tell me how many apples are left? How many apples are there in that basket now? Yes, the question is clear to you. There were 97 apples in a basket, and my mother take out 24 apples from that basket, and she gave those apples to a small boy named Keshav. Okay, so how many apples are in that basket now? Yes, children. Now think. Yes, and tell me what we are going to do in that problem, that study problem. What we are going to do? Addition or subtraction? Just see what ma'am has told you about subtraction. Subtractions means taking something. Subtraction means taking something. So what to do? What we will do? Yes, children, we will do subtraction. We will do subtraction because from that basket my mother has taken apples. She took some apples from that. So we will do subtraction. What we are going to do? We will do subtraction. Got it, children? We will do subtraction. Got it? So this time also we have to do that sum in our copy. We will write statement and work space also. Okay, and ma'am has told you how to write in your copy. Yes, we will turn our copy and move our copy like this, and we will write like that will be easy for us to write the statement. Okay, because there will be more space to write the statement. Okay, so be ready with your maths copy and pencil and come and join me. Just see how ma'am is writing, and you have to follow me. But one more thing you have to do. You have to write the problem also. How you are going to write the problem? You will just pause this video and you will write the story. Ma'am has said that there were a basket. How many apples were there? You will pause and you will write it. Okay? The problem should be in your copy. Okay? We have to turn, children, just see, we have to turn our copy like this, and this is our question number 2. So ma'am is going to write first a statement, and then this side workspace. The first statement is total number of apples. Total number of apples. T and O. 9 and 7, 97. Okay. And the second statement is number of apples number of apples my mother gave to a small child named Kesam, and that is 2 for 24. And what we are going to do is minus. Now the third statement is number of apples left. Numbers of apple left. Now we will subtract 4 from 7. What will be our answer, children? Yes, that will be 3. Now we will subtract 2 from 9. What will be our answer, children? That will be 7. 73 will be our answer. Okay, children. Now